Abashata aba nibagamba ko ababenubaza omyanya ey'abantu bari kugurizamu emibazi bari kweyeta abakuru okurwa mu kitongore eky'emibazi ekya National Drugs Authority bari kubaguza za license z'ebicupuri otireho no kubiyaho esente kandi aba ahi bakwatirwa babire bihire aha bantu abari kurenga muri Ghana esente ngo kandi bari kubaraganisa ebintu bitari bimwe na bimwe.
There are people who are trying to spoil the name of NDA. They are calling themselves NDA, Kutesa Faizo, there is Kizito. They have private cars, they come to your place, they make you fear, they want to inspect your place, they make you fake licenses, they have fake approvals. I myself am a victim. There is a time I sold off my place, my drug shop. At first, they took 400, blocking.
Don Byakatonda owakwatirwa omuri Seguku omukarwariro ak'emibazi nagira ngu yabariyo nagezaho okureba ahabwoma oburi kukozesibwa omukuchebera akakoko ka sirimu ari kugira ngu abirasindikirwe ab'ekitongore ekyari kukorera kandi ogu nagambwa kuba abire yashabire esente nyamwingi aha bantu abari bakama abo mwanya ogu.
I'll continue saying that you are actually proposing that you are supporting people who are forging HIV results. These people should not lie you. There are instances of health workers forging HIV results in the community. When we report to these people, they are not even taking action. We who are telling them, they are not doing exactly what they are supposed to do.
Kizito Raymond ahamwe na Faizo Kutesa abani bagamba kwa bagambire abantu babo ngo bije babashange omwanya gumwe omuri Kampala bati babase kubahereza ebipapura ebirabikirize gukora obwo bari kubiyaho na sente nyamwingi ekintu eki aba NDA bari kujumirira.
Omukyala agabe ingamati y'omulesi yayagala okugula license gw'akashopu yange eri ekikajjo kawanda kwetukanya emiwendo gyetwakaniza naye emiliyoni 3.5 kwekumpaako emitwalo 6 yasooka n'ampaka 5 nanyonga emitwalo 6 n'agamba nti bwevuddeyo license mu kitongole agenda kuba balansi wange asigadde.
Abashata aba nibija kutibwaho emanja ezitari zimwe na zimwe ezirimo kweyeta ekibatari hamwe no kutunga sente omuningo gw'ekishobobo.
All clinics that are forging HIV results, for us we are continuing to tell you, now for you want to sell yourself that you're doing the right thing, which is not right at all. It is not right. NDA, you are supporting people who are forging results, HIV results. My name is Don Byakatonda. I have to tell you this. These people are forging HIV results in the country.
Ab'ekitongore eky'emibazi ekya National Drug Authority nibamanyisa abantu okwetantara okuza okukwatanisa n'abantu nk'aba niko kubahiga okureba ngu bakoraganana n'abantu abahikirire okwetantara okugwa omu bashuma.
Kati nze nkunga basabo bannaffe bonna nti omuntu yenna singa abazze mu ddwaliro lyo oba mu drug shop yo nakugamba nti njagala ompandiikire results nti ndi kino oba ndi kino naye nga tayagala akeberebwe manya nti omuntu oyo akutega kanyeebwa asobola okuyisaawo ebigendererwa bye. Ku ssaawa eno tuli mu kunoonyereza obanga ddala bya Katonda Ddooni alina puroguramu entuufu ey'eggwanga mwabadde simu eyeekwese wabula mwali undercover.
We want to remind the public that the National Drug Authority does not conduct its business through third parties or brokers.
Abantu bahigwa okuzabuzora misho kandi bakaguma bakahayo abantu nkaba abari kwani beyeta abakozi ab'ekitongore ekya NDA.
Our inspectors do not demand money for either inspection or when they are doing spot checks in drug outlets. So we call upon Ugandans to remain vigilant and report to police and National Drug Authority any suspicious individuals going around to pretend to be the staff of National Drug Authority, especially around this festive period when everyone is looking for a Christmas bread.